We have put together a strategy for adults with autism, people who live in Birmingham, and we want to actually get views of people as to if this is the right way forward. We can make improvements on that. And so this is the start of a 3-month period of consultation for us to finalize our strategy and hopefully get an agreed way forward to improve services for people with Asperger's and autism in Birmingham.
It's been a very exciting day. This morning session has been about launching the consultation for strategy, and you'll have seen from the quality of the questions that have been asked and indeed more importantly the conversation, some of which is still going on, the conversations that's happened after the formalities. It shows that people are really interested, they want to get it right, and there's a high level of optimism and a high level of ambition about what we're going to achieve.
Well, we've got plenty of examples of people with autism spectrum conditions who are having a very difficult life, who are bored, understimulated and often misunderstood, and ending up with quite significant mental health problems and low self-esteem and a very unfulfilled life. And we have a duty now, thanks to the Autism Act, to take that seriously and provide them support, encouragement, and help them lead fulfilling lives. So I think it's really important that people get back to us with their ideas on how to make the strategy work for them.
It's definitely a development I welcome. Being on the spectrum myself, one of the biggest issues is the fact that there isn't much understanding of autism or indeed the wide variety in terms of the spectrum it is. And often, for someone like myself, I have hidden needs that aren't necessarily obvious. If you're articulate and you can speak forward, it tends to be hidden what my sort of social needs are.
I was actually delivering on a promise. It was a promise I made to John and people like him. As part of the preparation for Labour coming to power in Birmingham, those of us in the shadow cabinet did a lot of work alongside the voluntary sector, community organisations, preparing our policies for power. It so happened probably about 18 months ago, I met with representatives of Autism West Midlands. Those service users told me very compelling stories about what they thought about how they fit in the world of work and the barriers they face, particularly in the criminal justice system and in the mental health system. And I made a promise to them that were we to get into power, which we did, that I would use the overview process of overview and scrutiny to commission detailed work to understand those barriers and to help us as an organisation work out a plan of what we could do to overcome them. Now, I'm delighted to see in the autism strategy that we're publishing today detail that has come from that overview process, and it's adults with autism in this city that can take all of the credit for having sparked the idea that's led to the content of the document.
I'll be feeding in my personal views into this consultation process, and also afterwards as well, in terms of trying to giving scrutiny and feedback into the process to try and help it improve the lives for people with autism in terms of being able to function more effectively within society rather than being sort of excluded.